taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from.
Good morning, people. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay guys, today I'm gonna make it courgette. Okay, courgette pizza is mini courgette pizza is look yummy. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you my recipe. Meron tayong tomato sauce and basil and pepperoni, cheese, tomato, at two courgette, big one. Okay guys, really easy and simple, so but it's delicious. Okay guys, courgette, this courgette I've been washed it. Okay guys, look at this. One. And then I'm gonna put this in the oven. Okay, so I need to roast this one. I'm gonna roast it. Guys, no. Tomato. Very easy people, yeah. Kasi malalaki na. Ganyan na kasi. Hatiin ko kasi it's too big. Okay guys? Bigger. Okay. So hold on. Okay. Lagyan natin siya ng cheese. Very small. Okay guys, do this. Until the end. It's really okay guys, look at this, amazing, yeah. Okay. And the next is pepperoni. I just got a pepperoni. Look at this. I put double, okay? Double pepperoni. Okay, people. Okay. Perfect. Guys, okay. Lalagay ko na siya sa oven. I'm gonna put in the oven. About 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, look at that. Amazing. Nice, yeah? Okay guys, look at this. Amazing. It's yummy. They smell good. Okay. This is the Courgette mini pizza Courgette. Look at this. Look amazing. Courgette, cheese, tomato, and pepperoni. It's really easy and simple. And of course, tomato sauce with basil. Amazing, guys. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you like it. My recipe today. And please subscribe and like. In the kitchen, we are fire. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Try natin ha. Okay guys, try natin ha. It's really hot. Wow. It's amazing. The pepperoni is a bit crunchy. It's really good. The cheese and then really nice. Thank you guys. Bye. See you next video. Mwah. Love you. Bye.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
You want to taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things.